This dictation material has been obtained from newspaper Para 9. The credit of military operation against criminals and terrorists goes to Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz government, and these operations against militants will continue till elimination of last terrorist, remarked the Premier while addressing a workers' convention here at Governor House, Peshawar. Full stop. We are building new Pakistan while those who are claiming to make new Pakhtunkhwa have done nothing for the development of the province in the last 2 years, he uttered. Full stop. Governor Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Senior Vice President and Advisor to Prime Minister, Federal Minister, Senator Pervez Rashid, Federal Minister for Railways, Federal Minister for Patrolling, Defence Minister, Provincial President, Provincial General Secretary, and others also addressed the gathering. Full stop. The Prime Minister said that Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz government could easily make government in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, but he provided this opportunity to Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf to contribute for the development of the province. Full stop. He said after May 2013 general elections, Maulana Fazlur Rahman asked him to make government in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, but he refused and gave the mandate to Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. Full stop. He added that now the performance of everyone was crystal clear to the public, and in the last 2 years, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf government had not inaugurated any mega project in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa to serve the masses and prove their efficiency. Full stop. He mentioned that Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz government was struggling day and night to make the country a developed state of the world, and in this connection they had launched many development projects across the country. Full stop. The Prime Minister assured that every promise being made with the public would be fulfilled, as the nation had mandated Nawaz League to contribute for the development of the country. Full stop. Addressing on the occasion, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Governor said acumen of Prime Minister Mohammad Nawaz Sharif had dragged the country out of crisis and put it on a course of economic development and progress. Full stop. When Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz came into power, the country was facing challenges of militancy, energy shortages, economic instability, and unemployment, he said, adding the policy of Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz under the leadership of Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz had put the country on a path of development and prosperity. Full stop. He said people of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and tribal areas had played an unforgettable role in war against militancy that would always be remembered. Full stop. The governor said that war against militancy was in a stage that would result in final elimination of anti-state elements. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat and Principal, Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College, Shahdara, Lahore.